Hello and welcome, as it is the 10th day of November 2020. My name is Derek. This is the Money Charts channel. All bets, trades of the like within each his own, their own risk, their own reward. And within this video, I'm going to be going over a lot of different things, really. But to start off within the silver market, and definitely predictions. So that being said, let's begin them. And we've seen the market fall pretty precipitously yesterday as it went down to key Fibonacci point and the 2394 handle. And so far on the short-term time frame, it has held and it has yet to break above established resistance, although it's stating that, it looks like it's going to be close because it established resistance here, and all that stuff now supporting amongst this area. Okay. It's not really much more I really want to go over. It's not really because the predictions, I mean, this market's going to get very volatile, I think, because of what I'm going to predict, as will many others. But that is the you-know-what hitting the fan, Chapter 2, hours away. We'll see if anything does prelude out of this, but as the mathematician that I like to say that I am, I want to first talk about a video that I'm watching right now, entitled Guess Who Counted the Votes? Question mark. Streamed live 11 hours ago, 90,460 views. And I'm going to be using this image. Recorded by Millennial Millie. She's got 458,000 subscribers. And within using that chart from the video, I took images of what she's talking about. Surprised she never came up with the mathematics, at least not as of yet, but I did. Well, she's coming up with a lot. Oh my goodness, she just nailed it out of the ballpark with the information that she has put out. Wowzers. Basically, anyway, during the election at some point in time, the screen on the television, I think this is Fox, but irrelevant, really, it's one of the mainstream networks, stated that Trump had 1,690,589 votes in Pennsylvania, whereas Biden had 1,252,537. Shortly thereafter was seconds, Trump had 1,670,631. Biden, 1,272,495. And like Bob Barker used to say, that's a difference of, and well, he said a lot of things, 19,958 lower on the Trump number, and that many 19,958 higher on the Biden number. And right now in Pennsylvania, the final score, is this what it is? This is going to get interesting. 3,321 versus 3,367, a difference of about 46,000. And if you take that number, you may say double it, that would make the difference like 10,000 for Biden. And then what else has been going on? And really the numbers have went from that much of a ratio to pretty much a dead heat. That's okay, that's interesting, and that mathematically I've never really seen how that could happen. But as it is it as it is? And 7,000 days ago today, there was a mainstream media video over in, or many mainstream, a lot of mainstream stuff is going on this day. In BBC. The date was September 11, 2001. We were on the 7,000 day anniversary of that day. Well, that was a day where 20 minutes beforehand they announced that WTC 7, Building 7, went down 30 minutes before it happened. So sometimes these things get shown on the TV screens that are run. Don't know if anything else is going to be played out about this, but... And actually, I do think, because I think things are going to get very, very crazy. Now, I hate to go on with what some people call woo-woo. Psychics is the words I remember bringing upon it. And I'm the type of person that, on the JSNIP 4 channel, actually was listening to Miss White Dove regarding this of LITECOIN. From its origins of that information, and really the origin of the chart even before it started here. And I was convinced, yeah, I mean, it's probably something I think I'd want to swing trade and swing back and forth, and I have. And then came a time where I'd want to actually try to find a reason to, not going to say mock it, but just come on. You really got to understand the situations tangibly, is how it goes. And then I tried to do some search from other stuff, and I found this in Tezos, which looks like it's just not doing the greatest, but considering this is against Bitcoin, everything else, how it's doing fantastic. That has overperformed Bitcoin since here. But there's been some stuff going on. I mean, last week is like getting back to the JSNIP 4 channel stuff about November 11th and all this. I'm like, geez, this is looking as if something like this just might happen. And of course, if something like this does, then I think that the markets are going to exude in big volatility. There's silver in the Canadian currency. Show some gold, 1883 on the U.S. side. And if that's the case, I mean, gold will, if you find out stuff like this is going on, I mean, that would be, I don't know how the people are going to be hailing. But one of the things I've been thinking about within the whole situation, if something were to happen in a hypothetical situation, for now I'll use the word hypothetical, where Team A faces Team B in some sort of battle, and either A or B wins, which of course someone wins. And then there's sports betting action. There's bet taking on it. And the people who are on the winning side will say A wins, they get paid, and people who took side B, they lost their bets. Side B, if they bet on the internet, they got paid. Maybe they withdrew some from their account, who knows? And then all of a sudden, several periods, maybe days or weeks go by. Hours, I don't know, whatever. I'm not even telling you what the event would be. But just hypothetically, if something like that happened, and then they announce a different team is the winner. Oh, I wonder what's going to happen there. Wowzers. If these day chapter number 2, I think, is hours away. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.